You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, originally from Welsh, so how it is pronounced in Welsh, and how you can pronounce it in English. Welsh pronunciation: Gwynedd. Yes, the double D at the end in Welsh is pronounced like TH in English, so with your tongue between your teeth. Gwynedd, short gwi sound, and then neth. Gwynedd, stress on the first syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.